Hey guys, it's me Ayush, and today we are going to be talking about top 5 Chrome features. This is like a sequel to the top 5 Edge features. So if you want to find that out, it's in the top link in the description. So without further ado, let's get into the video. First on the list is forcing dark mode. Chrome has this amazing feature called flags. Now the link of that will be in the description. Basically, it unlocks experimental features, one of which is forcing dark mode. Now, as it's clearly written in red, it is experimental features, so you go ahead with extreme caution. Now, you search for force dark mode in the search bar. Now, force dark mode for web contents is available. Normally, it's set to default, which is disabled. Now, enable it and relaunch Chrome. This is what Chrome will look like after you have relaunched it. All websites, even those that don't accept dark mode, is now dark. You all must have heard of the Dino game that comes if you are not having Wi-Fi. Well, now you can do that even if you have Wi-Fi. Just type in chrome//dino. Now, as you have seen, the no internet page came, even if my Wi-Fi is there. When you click spacebar, like how it will be offline, it will come. Except that now it's bigger. The next feature is quite interesting. It's called tab grouping. You want a bunch of tabs grouped together? Well, this feature is for you. Let me just open up some tabs real quick. Now, to add these tabs to the group, you just right click on your first tab and click Add Tab to Group. You can change the name of the group and even the color. Now, to add another tab to the group, you just right click and click Add Tab to Group. The group will be visible right there. You can also create multiple other groups too. Next on the list is file casting, and it's very interesting. It just allows you to locally play your files from your computer in Chrome. In your file manager, go to the file where your video is stored. Now, copy paste the address from the file manager to the address bar here. Now, type in the name of the video, as written here as samplevid.mp4, and your video shall come. We have all been in the situation where we have closed a tab by mistake. Well, now we can reverse it. Just right click on your tab area and click reopen closed tab. And just like that, you can do whatever you were doing before. That's the end of the video. Hope you liked it. Comment down which feature you liked the most. And obviously, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye.